Another massively bullish week for crude oil, and it has hit 77.2 levels before closing the week at 76. Remember, do watch the annual review for oil which I had posted in my daily and weekly updates. I have been sharing that oil is ready for something big, and what has happened we have seen in just couple of weeks, oil giving a 10% yield. Now, what to expect from crude oil in the coming week? Can we expect a further rally, or there is a possibility of a reversal? And what is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review, and I do share my twice a day updates for crude oil. Do not miss to watch that. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first on the weekly charts. What oil did, it has breached the Bollinger Bands, it has moved on the upside and hit 77.2 levels, and now it is inching closer towards the next resistance zone at 78.6, 79.2. Now notice what has happened on oil for multiple weeks. It has formed a very good base, and I have been telling this in my every update that oil is ready for a breakout. And see what has happened: first bullish week, last to last week, and then a good candle here. Now remember, leaving a wick here on the upside also suggests that it is going to be another week where we are going to look forward to a good rise. Oil prices might try to beat $80 levels. Possibility is there, but we have to wait. We have to wait and watch how it behaves. First at 77.2, then 78.6, then 79.2, and then 80 levels will be. Also remember, in the last 6 months, this is the fourth attempt by oil to break beyond 80. That is the first part. Second point to note here is, see what it is trying to do. Just notice this: every time since here, since it has dropped, it has formed a base, a good rise is seen, then a drop, then a rise, again a drop towards the lows here. Remember, 65 to 67 is a good support zone, and since then now a rise. Now see here, it has spent long enough time at these levels. Thus I always say the stronger the base, the taller the building is. The next thing I will wait here for oil is to the highs here, which probably it's gonna do in the coming week. That is what it appears. But as I said, 78.6, 79.2, 80, these are going to remain critical levels here. Remember, it is forming a squeeze, and coming out of this squeeze is going to deliver a massive rally here. Be mindful of this. We are looking forward to 95, or in fact $100 levels very soon. It is possible that in the first half of this year itself we can see those levels. Do watch my annual review for that in detail. Stochastic is rising on the weekly charts. MACD, look at the MACD. It has hit the bottom. It is now crossing over, trading with divergence. It appears there is lot much of room on the upside. Now notice this: after staying here at the bottom, one rise, then the retracement, and now breaking out. So this time the rally is going to be, I can say, smooth, and rally is going to be far stretched on the upside. The RSI is rising again. That is also a good sign for the bulls on the weekly charts. Coming to the now on the daily charts, I've been mentioning this. See quadruple bottom, see a squeeze, and what we had seen on the weekly charts is getting replicated here on the daily charts. First rise, then retracement, and this is the second round of rise here. Now what it did here is it has created now a very good support here at around 72.4. Now 72.4 is going to be one level which is going to remain critical for crude oil to break. Any drop below 72.4 is the only confirmation of reversal here. And as long as now 72.4 is not taken, we have to be careful. What it can do, it can try to stay like this for next few sessions before it gives a breakout. And another possibility is it can just open with a gap up in the coming week and stays beyond 78.6, 79.2 zone. But the farther, remember, it is getting into a slightly overbought zone, as it is a round of rally which it has seen in the recent past. Look at the moving averages. These have crossed over. These are trading with divergence, looking upwards and staying bullish. This is a very important observation. Do watch my educational video on the moving averages. This will give you a fair bit of idea on why these moving averages are important. It has taken the support here. It is looking upwards. It will wait for the moving average to climb up slowly. Till then, it can try to stay here, and then taking the support, it can bounce back. Stochastic has dropped. MACD, look at the MACD on the daily charts, trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. And remember, it is now willing to breach this zone at 100 and can stretch the rise towards plus 200 levels. Yes, it is looking upwards, and there is no looking back, it appears. RSI is rising as well, which is also a very, very good sign for. See, towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels. So do watch that. And when you see this, and before we proceed to this, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now see, on the monthly charts, what did we discuss? That it has formed a stronger support and a stronger base and higher lows are seen, and the preceding month is just one bounce back candle, and the coming month is going to be definitely a stronger one. What it did, it has already achieved the highs here. Now it is going to be critical for oil to break beyond 78.6, 79.2 zone. Only and only if these two levels are taken, we can say now the bulls are here to stay. And once it breaks out beyond 78.6, 79.2, we can say that the bulls are here to stay, and possibly the next month is also going to remain increasingly bullish, where it can in fact attempt to move towards 84, 85 zone. There is a very strong probability to it, because see, symmetry here, three red candles, consolidation, two green candles. So the next month might remain bullish, where it can in fact attempt to achieve higher levels here. If you look at the stochastic, this is at the bottom and now looking upwards. Very good sign for the bulls. Now the most interesting one, which I've been talking about since long, is the MACD. Look at the MACD. Look at the waves here. How beautifully this wave is drawn. And I've been talking this since last few months that it is forming this. It is almost at the bottom, and I'll just wait for a crossover here. Possibly January is going to be the month where it is going to cross over and start the reversal, start the greener zone here. This channel is there. Look at this, what has happened here. Look at this, what has happened here. Straight bullishness, straight bullishness. And now this is the time for oil to deliver the same. Thus 2025 is going to be one very critical month here for crude oil. Be mindful. When we see the first wave, this one, you can see where the prices were from $30 levels to almost 80. It is done in the next few. Then the COVID slump has appeared and the red wave has started. And post COVID, it has delivered the second wave when it has hit higher highs. Now it has retraced and it is on the verge of a crossover. So what it is trying to do here is, this. If it goes towards this, I think this is going to be the biggest challenge from all the economies in the world. In order to contain inflation, energy prices are the must, and this is definitely going to be one critical factor in order to contain the inflation here. RSI is looking upwards again, a very good sign for the bulls. Coming to the 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, see, price is stayed bullish. It is swing here, it is almost close at the top, and now I'll wait for 76.4 to be taken in the coming week, and 77. If oil trades above these two, we can look forward to 78.4, 78.6 as the next target zone, and in fact 79.2 might be there very, very soon. But right now I will say it is slightly extremely overbought here, and thus a possible retracement cannot be denied here. Look at the stochastic. This has dropped a bit, while the MACD on the 4 hour charts is still looking upwards, and it has still got lot much of room on the upside for it to continue with the rise here. Yes, it can continue, and if it hits the top, remember what we are looking at, $80 levels. RSI back to overbought levels. So now we have seen the charts and indicators, and time for me to give you the levels here. And those who are new to the channel, do watch my twice a day updates of crude oil. That will definitely add lot much of meaning to your day trading decisions. With the precise levels, you can definitely be profitable every day. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Now, first, let's talk about the levels to buy. I will only recommend you to buy at 76.4. Expect 77.2 as the first target zone, 77.75 at the next, 78.4, 78.6 as the third one. And if oil breaks this zone, stay bullish. My favorite, 79.2. Now these levels, those who follow me regularly, I have been following these levels last time when these were oil was here. That time also I have mentioned these are critical, and now once it breaks beyond this, I will be looking forward to 80.4, 81.5, 82.5. Any break beyond this is a direct invitation towards 84.4 and 85 levels. Beyond that, sky is the limit. It may take time, but it is going to be there. If not this month, then next month, possibility is there that oil might give you a breakout move very, very soon. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry. Now see, we are looking at only the greener side of it. What about the other side of the coin? What about if dumps? What about the rally it is shown and it reverses the trend? Just to take out some of the trades, just to take out the traders from the market, it can try to reverse, it can try to slump before the bounce. So considering this, I will recommend you to sell only and only if you see it staying below 75.4. Expect 75 as the 74.7 as the first support zone. Below this, chances will be high that 74.3, 74.2 levels should be there, the next support zone. And if this is taken, then you can expect that the next target is going to be towards 73.5 levels. Below 73.5 is where slight bearishness to be there, and then you can expect the most important one at 72.4. If and only if oil breaks below 72.4, stay bearish for 71.1 and $70 levels. As far as my opinion is concerned, chances are less that it is going to break below 70 any point of time soon. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead.